Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, we're going to start looking at how to provide assignments to students in Canvas. Start off with, I have a morning work page that I want students to write on. Looks like this. I want them to write on it. I want them to send it back to me on Canvas. So let's hop over to Canvas and I'll show you how to get started. First thing you're going to do is click your assignments button on the left. Then you're going to click your red Add Assignment, and it's going to open up your new assignment window. We're going to start by giving this a name. So I'm going to call this Morning Work Number 1. And then I'm going to click down in this large box. I'm just going to let the cursor blink there. And I'm going to travel over to the right-hand side where I've got this tab that says Files, because I need to upload the file that I want to give to them. So I'm going to click Upload New File, choose File, and this is going to let me select where I have it saved on my computer. So here is my morning work day 1. I want to point out that this is a PDF. If you're giving students something to write on and then send back to you, it must be saved as a PDF. You cannot give them a Word doc. They won't be able to open it or write on it. So I'm going to go ahead and say choose, and then select this upload button. And you're going to see it bounce right into that box there. So now students have the file that I want them to open up and write on. If you wanted to, you could add additional directions within this box. But for me, since I have the directions on this file that they're going to open, I'm not going to put anything else in this area. Sliding down, you'll want to decide if you're giving a point total. Something else that you can do is you can decide if you are going to do like a complete, incomplete, or just keep it as your points. I usually just keep it as points. Next, this is probably one of the most important steps, is submission type. If they're going to write on it and give it back to you, we have to give them a way to give it back to you. So to do that, you need to make sure that online is selected. And then for this, I don't need a text entry. I need a file upload because they're going to be uploading that file back to me. So online file upload. I'm going to skip over the next couple of things and I'm going to look down here at the assign to box. Right now it's going to everyone. If you wanted to, when you have your whole class in here, you can assign things to specific students by typing their names in the box. And then I need to give this a due date. So I'm going to go ahead and put in next week. Something else I want to point out here is your available from and available until box. I don't use these very often, but they are nice features that are available. So this available from box, this would be like if you are creating your assignments in advance and you're publishing them. If I put in a date here, say I put in tomorrow's date, this assignment will not become visible until that date. I'm going to go ahead and take this date back out though. The other box, until, this means on whatever date is in that box, the assignment will lock closed. Students will no longer be able to access it, no longer be able to submit. I typically leave this blank. I allow late submissions, so I don't like locking students out of things. But if you have like a time-sensitive project that you've got an end date on, you could put in that until date. I'm going to move this up just a little bit. Then you have two options. You have save and publish or just save. Save means that only you can see it. Save and publish means that your students can see it, unless you have something in that available from box. I'm going to go ahead and say save and publish. And it's going to bring me back out to this main menu where I can kind of just see an overview. If I wanted to make changes, I could click edit. If I click my assignments button here, you'll see that this is now somewhere down here in my assignments list. I can move things around like that. So you can see I chose to save it and publish this assignment, so it's got that green check mark. If I decided I wanted to unpublish it, I can just click there and it'll go to that circle. Similarly, if I want to go through and publish other assignments that I've already created, I can simply just click that little circle there and they are ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and create some follow-up videos to show you in later videos a great way to organize your assignments. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.